Welcome to the Maricopa County Air Quality Department Annual Emissions Inventory Report training. This is the third of 6 training videos that provides an introduction to the stack and control device forms. A stack is considered a stationary stack, pipe, vent, or opening through which a significant percentage of emissions are released into the atmosphere. Stack emissions can be from one or more processes, with or without a control device. Facilities that emit over 10 tons per year of any single pollutant must complete a stack form, which must also include associated control devices. In addition, any stack that discharges more than 5 tons of combined pollutants must complete a stack form. Any required stack reporting with a control device must also complete the control device form. An existing stack that is pre-printed on the form from prior years that has been retired can be removed from the report by using a single line strike-through of the listed stack. On the stack form, the stack ID is a 3-digit unique ID number that is either pre-printed from prior years or is selected by the individual filling out the report if it is a new stack. Each stack ID can only be used for a single stack, and the same ID must be used for the same stack from year to year for consistency. The stack ID number only needs to be unique relative to other stack ID numbers and can be the same as ID numbers used in the control device, general process, evaporative process, and off-site recycling forms. The stack type code is selected from the list on the form. The stack height is calculated relative to the surrounding terrain, hence a 10-foot stack on top of a 20-foot tall building would be reported as a 30-foot stack height. Exit gas temperature is reported in units of Fahrenheit. Stack velocity is reported in either units of feet per second or actual cubic feet per minute. Stack diameter is reported as the inside diameter in inches or length and width of the stack interior in inches. Enter the stack name with description with latitude and longitude coordinates in decimal degrees. A control device form is used to report a system that reduces pollutant emissions using collection and devices which are operated in accordance with good engineering practice. A control device that is pre-printed on the form from prior years that has been retired can be removed from the report by using a single line strike-through of the listed control device. On the control device form, the control device ID is a 3-digit unique ID number that is either pre-printed from prior years or selected by the individual filling out the report if it is a new control device. Each control device ID can only be used for a single control device, and the same ID must be used for the same control device from year to year for consistency. The control device ID number only needs to be unique relative to other control device ID numbers and can be the same as ID numbers used in the stack, general process, evaporative process, and off-site recycling forms. Enter the installation or reconstruction date. Fill out the size or rated capacity of the control device, for example, cubic feet per meter. Put in the control device type code, which can be obtained from a list of codes from a PDF document on our Other Inventory Resources webpage. Complete the control device name with description. Enter the stack ID if applicable. Thank you for viewing this Emissions Inventory Report Introductory Training video number 3, and be sure to view the next training video number 4 in the sequence covering the general process form. If you have any remaining questions, please call 602-506-6790 or email at emissionsinventory@maricopa.gov. General information and resources for the Emissions Inventory Report can be found at Maricopa.gov/2628. Additional information can be found through the internet links listed below this video on the YouTube webpage. Thank you for your participation.